us now for an exclusive interview. The mysterious figure only known as Mega Girl and her mother.
Can you promise my animosity?
Do you mean anonymity?
Yeah, anonymity.
Megan thinks she's a superhero.
Mom!
Oh, sorry. Anyway, I think she does have superpowers.
I totally do.
Interesting. Can you give us some background?
Well, it was when I started taking USANA. When I was a little kid, I hated taking vitamins. I used to hide them in the planter, under the couch, wherever. Sometimes I pretend to chew them and feed them to the dog.
We had no choice but to try something different.
At first I was skeptical, but I really liked the animal shapes and fruit colors, so I tried one.
She loved them.
And then the changes started.
Changes?
The superpower changes.
We have Dr. Akshay Kumar joining us. Can you explain these superpower changes?
Thank you. Yes, I believe I can. My team has put together a little presentation to help illustrate. Just like every other kid you see, Megan's cell membranes are constantly under attack by free radicals. And USANimals provide the most advanced amount of antioxidants known to man, increasing the cell strength and health, turning mild-mannered Megan Morgan into Mega Girl.
Thank you, Dr. Kumar. Mega Girl, you've reported that each animal-shaped USANimal has its own unique qualities.
Oh, you mean like the monkey?
I think it's a lemur.
That's what I meant, the lemur.
Increased agility. Interesting. How about the panda?
Oh, yes, the panda. It's a favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Super strength. That's impressive.
You should see how she helps around the house. And USANimals have all natural flavors and no artificial sweeteners.
I so hate saying this, but my mom was right about taking my vitamins.
USANimals. Super nutrition for super kids.